Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video where we will be comparing two amazing Wi-Fi systems, Google Wi-Fi system and eero Pro 6. We will be evaluating these products based on different categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Google Wi-Fi system is priced at $99, offering an affordable option for improving your home Wi-Fi coverage. On the other hand, the eero Pro 6 comes with a price tag of $299, providing premium Wi-Fi 6 performance. Though it's pricier, the eero Pro 6 offers an enhanced experience for larger homes and supports more connected devices. In terms of coverage, the Google Wi-Fi system includes a single Wi-Fi point that covers up to 1,500 square feet. For larger homes, you can expand the coverage by adding more Wi-Fi points. On the other hand, the eero Pro 6 offers a wider coverage of up to 3,500 square feet, making it suitable for larger homes with fewer dead zones. Both products ensure reliable Wi-Fi coverage, but the eero Pro 6 takes the lead in terms of coverage area. When it comes to performance, both the Google Wi-Fi system and eero Pro 6 offer seamless Wi-Fi connectivity. The Google Wi-Fi system utilizes network assist technology to ensure fast and stable connections by selecting the clearest channels and fastest bands for your devices. Similarly, the eero Pro 6 utilizes true mesh technology, intelligently routing traffic to reduce drop-offs and provide a lag-free experience. Whether you're streaming 4K videos or gaming, both systems offer reliable performance. Setting up and managing your Wi-Fi system shouldn't be a hassle. With the Google Wi-Fi system, a simple app allows you to set up your system quickly and easily. You can also view connected devices, prioritize them, and even pause Wi-Fi on specific devices like your kids' devices. Similarly, the eero Pro 6 offers a user-friendly app that guides you through the setup process and provides remote network management. Both systems offer convenience and ease of use. Apart from its Wi-Fi capabilities, the eero Pro 6 goes a step further by including a built-in Zigbee smart home hub. This means you can connect compatible smart devices directly to your eero network, eliminating the need for separate smart home hubs. The Google Wi-Fi system, however, focuses solely on providing reliable Wi-Fi coverage and does not include this additional feature. If you want to simplify your smart home setup, the eero Pro 6 offers an integrated solution. There you have it, our comparison of the Google Wi-Fi system and eero Pro 6. Both products excel in different areas, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable option with expandable coverage, the Google Wi-Fi system is a great choice. On the other hand, if you prioritize wider coverage and advanced features like a built-in smart home hub, the eero Pro 6 is worth considering. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.